I'm changing these coolant feed hoses to the turbo, and as you can see, it looks like the larger pipe may have been revised. So I've took the rubber hose off, still need to get that out of the block. But this metal area is completely different. And I'm wondering if this is because it's so difficult to remove and refit them. So I had originally fit them with the engine out of the car, but had a leak on the top hose, so I've had to remove them and they won't go back in. So what I had to do was I removed the cat in order to remove the end of this large coolant hose here. Which has allowed me enough room to remove the hoses from the core of the turbo.